During World War II, the founder of Dublin Construction Company, Ben Hall Sr., was a quality assurance inspector for U.S. military projects. Shortly after the war, he founded his own company.
In 1945, B.H. Hall Sr. founded Dublin Construction Company. He founded it with a $1,500 loan from a friend of his and approximately $1,500 that he'd been able to save.
The war was over. The baby boom had begun. People needed new housing. Dublin Construction Company started forming and placing concrete housing foundations.
My dad started Dublin Construction Company with 3 wheelbarrows, 3 shovels, and 3 picks. A 2-bag mixer that he pulled behind an old pickup truck. He had to physically hand unload gravel out of the car box from the railroad. He had to buy cement at the store in the bags.
Ben Hall Sr. wasn't just building residential foundations. He was building the foundation of Dublin Construction Company.
And the foundation that this business was built on was honor, trust, and integrity. A man's handshake was his bond. If he told you something, you shook his hand, you looked him in the eye, the deal was done.
Dublin Construction is now being guided by Chairman B.H. Hall Jr. and President Tom Hall. The second and third generations are leading the company into the future. Dublin Construction Company is a multifaceted company providing services as a general contractor and in steel fabrication and direction, mechanical millwright work, process piping, carbon steel, stainless, and alloys, heavy equipment moving and installation, crane services, design and build, and complex concrete structures.
The thing that separates us from the masses is that we have employees that have been here a long time. They're multi-crafted, multi-talented company. We have our own equipment. We perform and self-perform so much of our own work. Or if we don't self-perform it, we have people monitoring those that we subcontract to that understand what these people are doing. In our field staff of supervision, we've got 18 years of average dedicated service. Within our office staff, we've got 20 years of average dedicated service. We think that speaks volumes.
Our design build team has developed the concept of partnering between Dublin Construction Company and your company. Under partnering, we offer single source responsibility. We provide value engineering in design review and analysis of concept versus constructability. Budget control is offered from preliminary estimates to actual job cost analysis. Cost indemnification through open book accounting is standard. We formulate schedule control from the design phase to owner occupancy. And we build better communications through the roundtable concept, a team approach to a common goal.
We ask the people that are in the field to come in and be a part of telling us what they think would help the client. Teaming up with architects, engineers, and bringing our quality people that have the mindset of delivering a better product at a more economical price. We add value added.
Dublin Construction Company will provide ready-mix concrete solutions for your project because we own our own company, B.H. Hall Ready Mix Concrete. For you, this means concrete product cost control, but it also means quality concrete with the correct mix design.
Well, it means that we're going to deliver a quality product, and it's a seamless situation that doesn't create problems during the pour and after the pour. Our men understand slump. Our men understand how to make cylinders. They understand the importance of what the customer's needs are. If you're pouring curb and gutter, that's one thing. If you're pouring bridge decks, that's another thing. If you're pouring house foundation, that's the simplest form.
Dublin Construction Company has its own fabrication shop. Schedules are met and quality products delivered.
We're in here doing TIG welding, MIG welding. We're specializing in quality people that can do all sorts of piping and stainless steel work, as well as millwright work. The fabrication shop goes hand in hand with the piping, the field piping, and also the millwright. The reason that is so important is that we need to be able to do quality fabrication in a controlled environment, do as much of it as we can before we go to the field. That not only speeds up the production in the field, but it also means that the quality is there.
Dublin Construction Company operates a drug-free workplace, and we have an unwavering commitment to safety. Witness this review of fall protection body harnesses in one of our training facilities.
Every Monday morning, there's a safety toolbox meeting. We have subject matters that they must go through, and everybody also needs to focus that week on what the trials and tribulations are going to be during that job function for that week. We also find out that the best customers are safety oriented, and they insist on it.
For over 60 years, Dublin Construction Company has been designing and building commercial buildings, industrial buildings and facilities, medical and health complexes, and churches and religious buildings. We also offer services in renovation and restoration of historical structures. Dublin sources and can install single-ply and metal roofing. We pre-engineer and construct metal building systems. There is a very good reason that Dublin Construction Company is headed towards 70 years in the construction industry.
Dublin Construction Company has survived this many years because we stand by what we say. We deliver beyond the customer's own expectations. We warrant the work we do. We're not perfect, but we strive for perfection every day.
We invite you to review a list of our notable projects and to allow us the opportunity to serve you in your very next project.
I'd like to thank you today for taking the opportunity to learn more about Dublin Construction and our abilities. I can assure you that each one of our projects and our customers will be instilled with the values founded on the company of quality, honesty, and integrity. Dublin Construction would like to thank you for the opportunity to work with you. And as always, we will exceed customer expectations.